Hello, everyone. My name is Francisco Mejia. Today, I want to talk about the vital link between organizational management, personal well-being, and productivity. In our demanding agribusiness environment, staying healthy is not an option. It is a professional requirement. Nutrition and cooking. Let's talk about nutrition. I believe that cooking your own meals is the best way to the control what you eat to maintain high energy levels during long work days. I prioritize a balanced diet rich in nutrients. I usually steam vegetables and grill proteins like chicken or fish. Using fresh ingredients help me avoid processed foods that cause stress and fatigue. A good meal prep routine ensures that my body gets the vitamins I need to stay focused. Physical activity and sport. Regarding physical activity, exercise is my secret weapon for mental clarity. Whether it is a kick workout or going out for a skateboarding session, movement reduces climate and environmental stress. Staying active improves endurance and flexibility, which are essential for field work in agriculture. When we exercise, our brains release endorphins that boost our productivity and overall health. In conclusion, there is a direct connection between what we eat, how we move, and how we perform. Organizational well-being start with individual health. If we take care of your bodies, our professional results will grow. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.